Avico 4x4 HDMI Matrix Review. 4K plus 1080p magic for home and pro setups. Ever felt like your home theater or AV setup was sabotaging you? Multiple devices, screens, and formats, all tangled into chaos, leaving you guessing which input goes where. You're flipping remotes, swapping cables, and praying nothing blows a fuse while everyone waits for the show to start. That frustration? It's real. Every second wasted on mismatched signals and blinking LEDs chips away at your focus, motivation, and sanity. When your gear can't keep pace with your creativity or entertainment needs, it's not just annoying, it's downright paralyzing. Now imagine the stress ramped up. A client waits in the conference room, your presentation is queued, or the big game's about to kick off, and your system hiccups. Delays, scrambled displays, and missing content hit like a tidal wave of burnout. You're sweating deadlines. Deadlines are crushing you, and missed cues feel like personal failures. Every tiny glitch, resolution mismatch, lag, or black screen turns your professional or home setup into a nightmare. Frustration isn't creeping in. It's running the show, and nothing's working right. Meet the Avico 4x4 Video Matrix HDMI 2.0, your multi-display miracle. This powerhouse connects 4 HDMI sources to 4 displays simultaneously, handling 4K 60Hz and 1080p together with seamless downscaling, HDR10, Dolby Vision, and HLG support. ERC and D-embedded audio keep your sound crisp, while EDID management ensures optimal compatibility for every device. Control is effortless via front panel, IR remote, RS-232, or web GUI, perfect for pro integration or smart home setups. Metal chassis construction guarantees durability, and instant switching, less than 1 millisecond, means zero blackouts. Whether routing gaming consoles, Blu-rays, streaming devices, or security feeds, the Avico 4x4 HDMI Matrix streamlines every connection, transforming chaotic AV setups into smooth, crystal-clear experiences for work, play, or live events. Why is everyone raving? Broadcast pros, AV integrators, and home enthusiasts can't stop talking about it. A commercial AV specialist said, "The Avico 4x4 solves the mixed resolution headache better than anything else." Home theater reviewers love its flawless 4K and 1080p mixing and perfect lip sync across rooms. Industry analysts highlight its less than 1 millisecond switching, critical for live events, while customers report months of 24/7 use without a single glitch. Imagine routing 4K camera feeds to grating monitors while sending 1080p proxies elsewhere. Every output crystal clear, every signal intact. With HDR, Dolby Vision, downscaling, ERC audio, web GUI control, and robust metal construction, this matrix isn't just a switcher, it's a command center. From luxury smart homes to broadcast studios, it keeps visuals perfect, audio pristine, and setups stress-free. You have to see it in action to believe how effortlessly it transforms multi-device environments. Time to stop juggling cables and mismatched displays. Secure your Avico 4x4 HDMI Matrix today. Limited stock, professional-grade performance, and decades of AV headaches solved in one sleek package. Don't wait. Join thousands of happy installers, home theater enthusiasts, and pro users who upgraded their setups. Whether for home, office, or live productions, this is your chance to seize flawless 4K and 1080p control, instant switching, and HDR clarity. Act now, future-proof your AV environment, and never settle for chaos again.